Today, we're going to take a look at the Generations section within the Systems Accelerator Manager. To access this section, navigate to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Generations tab to be redirected. Once in this section, you will notice 4 areas of focus: conversions or lead generation, business operations, past client retentions, and the experiences that are interwoven across your business that drive a world-class client experience every time. Over here at Workflow Secrets, we believe these are the 4 areas you need to have good systems built into your business to be successful as a real estate agent. Under these options are Build My Elements, as well as Saved Generations, which we will cover in depth in another video. Today, we are going to showcase an example from the conversion section. However, each of these sections is set up in the exact same way based on the focus for that specific resource. Clicking on the conversion section, you will be directed to the first page within the Generations tab where we can start to build our element. Starting with the resource you would like to generate, Sam has given us several options to choose from based on a list of the most popular resources you could create as a real estate agent. For this example, let's start with a lead magnet. Once selected, you will be asked what type of resource you would like to create. Sam again has provided a list of several options to choose from based on the most popular resource types real estate agents use in their business. For this example, we will select Guide. Now that we've selected Guide, we will get to choose the team member we want to build this resource around. If you have not yet created a team member in the settings, this is where you would want to pause, redirect using the back button on the top left-hand side to the settings, and do so to ensure Sam is able to create highly tuned content and systems for you and your team members. Moving on, once you have chosen the right team member, we can click on the Members niche to reveal a drop-down menu of all of the pre-filled niches that were provided in the settings section as well. If there is an error here, you might have forgotten to separate with a comma the different niches in the settings section. That's not a problem. We can either go back to the settings and clean this up, or we can click into the field and type or edit this section. This step can also be applied for adding a one-off niche for this specific resource. Once the niche is selected, you can add, edit, or adjust the member voice writing style that Sam uses in this generation. This section can also be edited and added to in the settings section by selecting all the words that best describe an agent and their writing style. After this, we will read, approve, or edit the objective of this resource, which is where we will tell Sam what the value or learning objective is for the intended recipient who is going to receive this specific resource. The objective can also be edited or added to ensure a more accurate understanding by the system. Once all of this is done, hit the Begin button and allow Sam to process all the information provided, gathering the information stated in the settings for their team members, and come up with a few questions to aid in the creation of this resource. I will note this may take a second, so feel free and stand up, stretch your legs, and take a sip of water. Once the system is finished, you will be taken to the Refining Questions section. This is the tuning fork within the system that allows us to generate the specific and custom to your business resources. We suggest reading each question along with the pre-provided answers Sam has filled in to aid you in the creation of this resource. From here, add, edit, or adjust the response by clicking into the specific text field. If you do not like a question that Sam has provided, move to the right-hand side, clicking the thumbs down, and it will be removed when Sam is reviewing the questions before the creation of the resource. If for some reason you've marked a question with a thumbs down, but want to re-add it, hit the thumbs up, and that question will be re-added to the selection. Once you have read through all the questions, as well as added additional context to the answers provided, hit the Continue. Sam will again need to think about the information provided in the settings about the team member, the specifics you selected for the desired resource you want to create, as well as the questions and answers provided. This may take a moment, but gives you a chance to stand up and do a quick set of 10 jumping jacks or 5 push-ups now that you're stretched and hydrated. Once completed, Sam will direct you to the final generation section. In this section, you will want to read through the output and apply your expertise as the real estate agent, as well as a little bit of discernment over the content created. If you want to make edits to this section, simply click into the text field to do so at this time. Once finished, you will be able to copy and paste and transition the resource into your website, email, CRM, or the intended social media platform this resource was built for. From here, repeat the generation process in each of these sections, and you will be well on your way to maximizing the power of SAM to create highly tuned systems and resources for your business, team, brokerage, and company. Thanks for watching. Let's make something exceptional together, and let's do it with Sam.